I will tell you how to resize your photo to fit Instagram without cropping. So right now, if we post any picture on Instagram, like let's suppose if I wanted to post this picture here, you can see that it's zoomed in, and then when I tap on these arrows here, it's zoomed out, but still it is not complete. Okay, so we can actually fix this. You will need this application, Snapseed. Okay, go onto the Play Store and type here Snapseed, and you will actually find this application onto the Play Store, and you have to actually install this application from Play Store. And we will open up this application, and I will click on this plus icon here, and I can choose this image. So this is the image, so I will choose this image, and then you have to click on tools here, and then click on expand here. And now we have to expand this image a little bit from all sides, like from the right, okay, like this one, then from the top and from the bottom. Okay, then click on this tick here, and then click on export, and then click on export here. Okay, now we will head back to our Instagram here, and it should like fix it. Okay, so we will just now click on this plus icon here, and now if we tap on this here, like these arrows here, it should fix. Okay, so that's how to actually resize your photo to fit Instagram without cropping your photo. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.